about to start on the kitchen. Just wanted to get a quick view of what it looks like, what the cabinets look like. All that, you can see how it doesn't really go with the rest of the house since we remodeled everything else, floor and whatnot. So we're about to do resurfacing of the cabinets, and then we're gonna do the countertops. You can see the countertops are Formica with just a wood edge here. We're gonna put an epoxy on that. It's a it's gonna look like marble, even though it's not. And then we're gonna do new sink, faucet, and eventually appliances. Those are pretty old and outdated. I think we're gonna go with stainless. So that's what it looks like now. We're gonna start the deconstruct and we'll go from there.